Totalmobile's extremely privileged to work with over 130 housing providers in the social housing sector today. I think there are three key challenges that the social housing sector in particular are facing today. So demand for housing is outstripping supply. Expenditure on existing properties is at a record high. They're facing a lot of external pressures as well. So a high inflation has driven up operating costs, whilst at the same time getting to grips with new housing policy and legislation and an entirely new regulation framework. Totalmobile's helping to support housing providers in the social housing sector in a myriad of ways. Starts with asset management and the ability to manage assets throughout their life cycle. Our job management capabilities help these organisations to enable their operations through deeply integrated business processes, dynamic scheduling capabilities that allow them to better align their finite resources with the demand profile. We've got our core mobile working capabilities, our mission to make the lives of mobile workers better, our supply chain management, so support for contractor and subcontractor delivery inherent in the system, data, analytics and AI that help organisations to better understand their performance, fundamentally allowing these organisations to deliver safe, decent, affordable homes for their customers.